How to write 0.875 in fraction form. So you need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal and write the number you are getting. We are getting 875 number after skipping decimal. And for denominator, for every digit, for each digit after decimal, we have to consider 10. Here we have 3 digits, so write 310, of course, as a multiplication. Now, if you want to reduce this fraction in one step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. But if you want to reduce this fraction in multi-step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by a common factor. The number has 5 at the last, so this is divisible by 5. This is also divisible by 5. I'll get 2, and if I divide by 5, what will I get? 5 goes into 8. One time 5, 5. Subtract 3, bring down this 7. 5 goes into 7, 7 times, 7 times 5, 35. Subtract 2, bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25, 5 times. 175. Okay, 175. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. I'll get 2, and I will get what? 5 goes into 17 3 times, then 15. So subtract to bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25, 5. That is 35. Again, this 35 is divisible by 5. This 10 is divisible by 5. 7. So we are getting 7 over 2 times 2 times 2, 8. So look, this 7 is a prime number as it has only two factors, 1 and 7. So the common factor between 7 and 8 will be 1, as 7 is a prime number. If you get one prime number, then you can think that the common factor will be 1. So we can say that this is the simplest form.